just take that area back. Bring it back. No, lift it and bring it back. No, this one. This positioning is very important. Go, lie down. Just this. Are you comfortable? हाँ, डाल दीजिए. आप comfortable हैं?
Straight. Lie on your tummy now, with feet outside the bed only. Slide up a little bit. Okay. Lie straight. You can face this side and lie down now.